Hey, what's up guys? iSaurabh here. In this video, I am going to show you how to get a new PAN card if your old PAN card got lost or damaged. First, open any internet browser. Go to search box and type PAN card reprint. Click on first link, that is request for reprint of PAN card. Scroll down. You have to pay 50 rupees. Now enter your PAN number, Aadhaar number and date of birth. Check this box. Enter CAPTCHA and click on submit. Now you will get all details related to your PAN card. Select email ID or mobile number for verification. Again check the box and click on generate OTP. Enter OTP that has been sent to your email ID or mobile number. Click on validate. Now select mode of payment. Check the box and click on proceed to payment. Click on pay confirm. Now enter your payment details and click on pay rupees 50. Complete your payment. Now click on continue. Click on generate and print payment receipt. You will get a new physical PAN card to your address. It will take about 30 days. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.